Are you tired of wasting food? This magic machine here is a wow. It's a must have. If you are not using this yet, you are missing out. Okay, stop wasting food. Food is expensive these days, so don't waste your food. Okay, like I love fruits and vegetables, but anytime I buy them, look at this, it will start to rotten and all that stuff, and I have to throw them away. I'm tired of wasting money. Okay, so I did the research and I came across this amazing machine. Okay, it does it all. Okay, you can vacuum seal it or single sealer. Okay, seal your food. Don't waste it. It will last you longer. Okay, it comes with this amazing bags. They give you this extra bags, okay, but you can also buy more if that's not enough. Okay, and this machine, it does it all. You can vacuum your vegetables, your meats, whatever, anything that doesn't, you don't want it to go rotten. Okay, this is what you need. So easy to use, super affordable. Like you always know, I like affordable stuff. Okay, so this is how this machine is. Very easy to use. You pop this white part to open it up like this, and this is what you get. So you're gonna put the whatever fruit you have, vegetable, meat, anything, just put it in this white corner here, turn it on, and it's gonna seal it for you. Trust me, it's gonna last you longer. Let me tell you guys this. So for meat, if it's just non-vacuum storage, it lasts for 2 to 3 days. But if you preserve it for vacuum, it lasts you 8 to 9 days. Trust me, this machine is a must-have. Do not waste money. Food is expensive these days. Okay, so let's put this to work. Okay, so now my machine is plugged in. Okay, it's on right now. So I'm gonna give me some tomato that I love so much. But look, see, when it stay in the fridge, it starts to get this. Oh my god, and I can't eat that. It doesn't look good. If it don't look good, I don't like eating them. Period. I like my fruits and vegetables to look, good. So this is how it looks like. Okay, we are going to insert this in this machine right now. Let's go. Make sure you put it quiet. Okay, y'all. Look at how. Look at this. Okay, look at how it sealed it. See, this is gonna last you for a long time. You can't just throw this in your freezer, in your fridge, and trust me, it's gonna last you for a long time. Link under the video. Please get yours before it's a lot.